Hello everyone, welcome to day 97 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this crystal wave stitch. So this stitch requires a multiple of 4 foundation chain. You can crochet to any length that you want, making a multiple of 4. Now into my third chain from the hook, I'm going to skip 3 chains, and into the fourth chain from my hook, I'm going to make 3 double crochet stitches. So that's 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now I'm going to skip 3, 1, 2 and 3. Into the fourth one, I'm going to make 1 single crochet. Again, chain 3 and make 3 double crochets into the same chain space. Again, skip 3, 1, 2 and 3 and make 1 single crochet. So you're going to do this till the end of the row. Once you reach the end of the row, you should have 4 stitches where into the fourth stitch you will be making your last single crochet stitch. Okay. So make the last single crochet. So this is what your work should look like once you are done with the first row. Now again, chain 3, turn your work. Into the very first single crochet, you're going to make 3 double crochet stitches and you're going to find the third double crochet from here. So 1, 2, 3. Into this, you're going to make a front post single crochet stitch. And now again, chain 3. And into this chain 3 space here, right after your third double crochet, you're going to make 3 double crochet stitches. Okay. Again, find the third double crochet from the next cluster, make a front post single crochet and chain 3. Make 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space from the previous row. Make a front post single crochet and chain 3, turn your work. Now you just have to repeat the same thing over and over again till you reach the desired length of your work. Okay. So this is what forms the crystal wave stitch. Do try this out. If you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comment section or you can DM us on our Instagram page as well. We will definitely get to you, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.